Alright everyone, welcome back to Turn 4 Automotive. We do a lot of race cars here, a lot of autocross, a lot of stock cars, and the biggest thing that we see with problems on street cars is alignment. These tools right here are all you need to align a car properly. We obviously don't want our cars to look like this. This, as bad as it looks, is not caused by negative camber. It's caused by toe. These cars, as much as you either hate it or love it, the stance community and the extreme camber they're running, that is not what wears those tires out. It's when the toe is wrong that the extreme speed of tire wear comes back. Yes, camber does wear a tire, but toe will wear much, much faster. You'll get 15, 20,000 miles out of a tire with extreme camber. You only get 5,000 or 6,000 out of it with extreme toe, as you can see in this case. This was still only about a degree of toe total. So how are we going to do the alignment ourselves? You can do an alignment in your own garage, in your own driveway, as long as you have a level piece of land. That's all you need. It can be dirt, it can be asphalt, it can be concrete. All you need is level ground. It helps to have some turn plates, but if you don't have turn plates, we can get by and do that for you. All you need to do an alignment, string. String is your friend. A couple jack stands. What we do with the string is you're going to go ahead and hook the string lengthwise to the car to the jack stands. You'll then measure to the car. Normally the easiest way to measure these is by the rocker panel. The pinch weld in the rocker panel is most often straight. All these cars, especially when you get into the German stuff, the Audis, the BMWs, Mercedes, stuff like that, it's hard to measure for the string on a car because the body is not straight. Old Miata, easy. The body's straight down the side. You measure the front of the door and the rear of the door and set your string to that, and then you can measure your wheels. Just take your tape measure, measure from the string into the wheel on the front, the string into the wheel on the back will give you a toe reading. Make sure the wheel's straight while you're doing it. Make sure there's something that can hold the steering wheel so it doesn't move as you move the adjustments. If you don't have string, you don't need it. If you don't care that the wheels are straight, you don't need it. If you just want to set your toe and make sure that the tires are running true to each other, just get a set of toe plates. All of us stock car guys use these toe plates all the time. You put one against one tire, one against the other tire, you run the tape measure between them on the front and on the rear. As you do that, that'll show you a difference. That shows you if the tires are running in with each other, out with each other, or dead ahead. You can go ahead and adjust your tie rods from there on out, and that'll get your toe straight to the tires. The tires will match each other. Your steering wheel might not be straight, but that can be fixed later on or with the string. So if you just want your tires straight ahead and know that you don't care where the wheel's going to be centered, this is the way to do it. The other gauge we use, we've had this one a very long time, it's been calibrated a few times, long acre caster camber gauge. These bubble gauges are made by many different brands. It's just the gauge and magnets onto the wheel hub. So if you have aluminum wheels, sometimes this isn't as easy. They do make adapters that go to the outside of the wheel so that it fits flush. But anyways, you just want this straight on the wheel. And as you can see, these adjustments are moved a little bit, angled within the housing. And this will tell you the positive or negative camber. This will also tell you caster. Caster is one of those adjustments that we said it doesn't affect the tire wear, but it will affect the driving of the vehicle. The biggest thing while you're adjusting these cars, it's hard to adjust the car if it's sitting dead on the ground. Put it up in the lift, let it back down, settle the suspension, give it some jounce, and try it again. If you don't have turn plates, it's going to be really hard to adjust it. If you want to do an easy way to do turn plates, take a couple garbage bags or shopping bags, plastic bags, stack them up underneath the tires a little bit. Those will give enough slip that the tire will be able to move on it without causing issues or binding the steering and suspension system. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any comments on this, leave them below. Hit that subscribe button. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.